Adding memory to the application. Chapter 6 introduces PHP sessions for state that persists across requests. HTTP is stateless. Each request forgets what came before. Sessions solve this with server-side storage. Home page shows visit tracking, first visit time, page view count, and your unique session ID. Navigate to About. The session persists. Go back to Home and watch the count increase. Back to Home. Notice the page view counter increased. The session remembers every visit. Select Top Nav Theme. Now the URL only needs the theme parameter once. Navigate to Contact. No theme in the URL, but Top Nav persists from the session. Switch to Sidebar. Navigate anywhere. The theme sticks until you explicitly change it. Click Reset Session. Watch the flash message and the counter resetting to 1. Session starts in the constructor. The short circuit pattern avoids errors if already active. The S's method implements sticky parameters. URL overrides session. Session persists. Default as fallback. Flash messages exist for one request only. Set a message. Retrieve it once, then it's gone. Home model tracks visits. First visit uses null coalescing assignment. Count increments each load. The reset method destroys and recreates the session. Flash message set before destruction. timeAgo helper converts timestamps to natural language. Just now, or hours and minutes ago. Session info exposes internals, ID, name, status, save path, and all stored data. Theme base class renders flash messages automatically. Retrieves message, generates toast script. That's Chapter 6. Sticky parameters, flash messages, and visit tracking with PHP sessions. Next chapter adds SQLite database access with PDO for persistent data storage.